A teenage rape victim is suing to try to stop her rapist from visiting the child conceived in the attack. The victim was just 14 years old when this man, Jamie Melendez, raped her inside her Massachusetts home. He pleaded guilty. The rape victim got pregnant and she decided to have the baby. Courthouse News Service reports the rapist has filed a petition seeking visitation rights after a judge ordered him to pay child support. Now the rape victim is suing the state of Massachusetts to get the rapist out of her child's life. Let's bring in our legal panel. Criminal defense attorney Rebecca Nitkin joining us in Washington, and HLN legal analyst Joey Jackson joining us from New York. First off, Rebecca, does the legal system here offer any protections for a rape victim's child?
Well, it's my understanding that this is the only decision in the United States of America that has fallen this way. So I hope that the laws in Massachusetts are going to change because they need to. This was a 14-year-old baby, and she was raped in her own home, and the last thing she needs is a relationship with her rapist, and the last thing she needs is to continue to have a child that has a relationship with a rapist. And if she gets into family court, which is going to have to happen to work all of this out, she cannot choose not to participate. If she doesn't participate, she's going to lose her child. So that means she's going to be forced to have a relationship with a rapist, and that just cannot be.
No, it's unfathomable. So, Joey, I ask you about this because you look at this case and you get the sense that a lot of it is about money, if not all of it. The victim's lawsuit claims that the rapist offered to withdraw his visitation request in exchange for not having to pay child support.
Exactly. And that tells you right there that it's a monetary matter. But I think in taking a step back, what has to happen, Brianna, is that it's a legislative issue. And the reason I say that is because in Massachusetts, it's perfectly lawful, even in the event that you have a child and it's due to rape, for you to acquire custody of that child. And so if the legislature would change the law, then we wouldn't be dealing with the problem. However, to the extent that the law is what it is, I think it's still a viable lawsuit for public policy reasons. Why on earth should a mother be forced to endure a relationship with a rapist as a result of a byproduct of this whole process? It just doesn't make sense. And so from a public policy perspective, I certainly can see where the lawsuit could still be viable, Brianna.
Yeah, I mean, that seems like a no-brainer and that it has to change.
Right.
Joey Jackson, Rebecca. Rebecca?
It's excellent timing because we all saw that animal, Ariel Castro, ask for the exact same thing. And he was denied outright. So it's perfect timing, and I'm pretty sure that now that everybody sees that it's still on the books, it's the perfect time to change the law. And I think that's what's going to happen. Seize the moment.
Right. All right, thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Brianna.
Sure.